Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to speed up Android TV and upgrade the Android TV. Okay, so first start we are going to start the TV, switch on. Okay, then click click here YouTube. Then you have logging with your ID. Then come here, click on library. After the clicking on library, then click here. Here is to history. When you are watching this video, any video on the YouTube, it will automatically saved on a history. So you need to clear time to time. Otherwise your ROM, yeah, memory, TV memory will be captured. So you need to clear this history. So clear. So all the history will be deleted from YouTube. So click on clear. Okay, and click on the back. Okay, back, and here is one upgrade is software upgrade is coming. So I'm going to upgrade this software. So click here the detail. So update is checking. Once the update is checking, it already downloaded updated software on your TV. Once it is already updated, so here is coming the restart button. Click here restart button. After the restart, so it will take 5 minutes to update automatically the Android version. Here is installing the system update. So wait for the 5 to 10 minutes, yeah, 2 to 3 minutes to complete this upgradation. Here is completing this update. So after the completing this system update, it will auto restart your TV. Now Android TV getting started. So it will take 1 to 2 minutes to initializing the Android version on TV. So now TV is starting up. Yeah, now system NYTV system update has been completed. Now you can watch any channel, yeah, YouTube. This is a procedure for updating this NYTV version. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.